Since Valentine's Day is coming, I thought about showing you some of the jewelry that I have available for sale on our website. So, the first option that we have is this heart bracelet. It has a moon on the center and wings on each side, and it's made with Miyuki beads, and it's adjustable in the color purple. This one is the first choice. It's really beautiful and lightweight, and you can use it alone or you can combine it with others. The second choice is this red heart bracelet, also made with Miyuki beads and also available in other colors. Let me show you. For instance, I have this turquoise charm and also this white charm. That is the second option. For the third option, we have these beautiful strass bracelets in black and white. This could also be an option for couples for his and hers. It's perfect for that because it's adjustable, so it's suitable for many sizes, and it's made with macrame knot in white and black, and the piece is all filled with strass. Also very pretty option for Valentine's Day for couples. Another option available is this beautiful tiny hearts bracelet. It's also made with Miyuki beads. This one was made using 5 tiny Miyuki hearts, and it's available in this bronze color. We have it here in black with silver hearts. We also have a golden hearts one, a dark blue, and this light blue that I have here that you can also combine with others, like I have here in my hand. Very easy to make as well and very easy to wear. You simply pull the knot and adjust it, always grabbing it by this knot. Also very pretty, very delicate. A great option for Valentine's Day. Another great option is this tiny little shell hearts bracelet. In this case, we're using purple faceted crystals with 3 hearts, but we also have this option made with a wire wrapping heart followed by golden beads and hot pink faceted crystals, and finished with a macrame knot and golden beads, also adjustable, very pretty, very delicate. Another option that you can combine with other bracelets, we have it available in burgundy and hot pink, and also this one with 3 hearts in purple. Another option is this heart charm bracelets, also adjustable but made with cotton cord. These bracelets are very simple with the charm hanging is a tiny heart, very delicate, very pretty, and you can also combine it with others. This one is available in black, this white and gold cord, and this lovely pink cord with a silver heart. So this one has a golden heart, this one has a golden strass heart, and the last one a silver heart. Also very delicate, very simple, but very pretty. Another great option is this golden beads bracelet with a Miyuki heart charm. This one is made using yellow and white Miyuki beads. We have it available in pink, yellow of course, black, and turquoise. Also combinable. Actually, we can combine it with this ones that I'm wearing. Very pretty, very simple. And the charm is made with Miyuki beads and nylon thread. And the bracelet is made with golden beads and nylon cord. Also another very pretty option. For this final option with bracelets, we have this lovely hearts bracelet made with Miyuki beads. We have several options like this one with purple shades. We also have this golden with black ones, golden with red, this shade of pink with golden, this another shade of pink, kind of like a salmon color with golden beads, this hot pink with colorful hearts, also this golden with white beads, golden with colorful hearts, and finally this option here that I have, turquoise with golden. Now for necklaces, I have this first choice is the chunky heart bracelet with a nacre heart, pearls, and a thick chain. A great option for Valentine's Day. Another one is this chunky heart necklace with paperclip chain. Also very pretty. And you can wear it on its own or you can layer it with others. Very great option for Valentine's Day. Very lightweight and pretty. And if you like colors, you might like this option better with pink crystals and also a chain made with crystals and 2 beads. Another great choice. And finally, for necklaces, I wanted to show you this delicate heart necklaces made with shell hearts and golden beads is another great option for Valentine's Day. Another thing that I wanted to show you is our packaging. We use pouches. We also use these beautiful cards with our socials. We may use these paper bags or these bags. We may use these bags. And also for an extra fee, these gorgeous bags. And of course, our care guide with all the instructions for you to take care of your jewelry. That's very important for me to let you know how to take care of your jewelry so it lasts longer. And many other things like tissue paper, boxes, and also inserts and free gifts that I always include with your packaging. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know which one is your favorite. And also remember that all these pieces are available in our website www.misbonito.com. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss the next videos. And see you on the next one.